Christmas Eve, the morning of Christmas Eve. I've been sitting here since about 6:50. The rain's been off and on. I saw 2 deer about 150 yards away through the woods. I chose not to shoot. I was shooting through something, I couldn't tell what it was. Looks like twigs or some of a branch. So I let it pass to see if they would come closer. That was at 7:50. It is now 9 o'clock and it's pouring down again, but luckily I'm in this nice deer stand that has a roof. If I hadn't have been here, I wouldn't have seen those two. I saw 2 possum go by, lots of squirrels. The 2 deer passed right through there. The first one stopped. It was on the left side of it. It moved out of the way, got my gun up. The second one stopped on the right side. And then moved on this way. I just had a red fox go flying by. I did a fawn bleat like it was lost. It came up and then went on through. Shooting through.